The journey of eggplant production begins in agricultural fields and ends in sealed cans ready for long-term storage and distribution. This process involves careful planning, precise farming techniques, strict quality control, and advanced food processing technology. From planting and growing eggplants to harvesting and finally canning them, each stage is essential to ensure freshness, safety, and nutritional value. The process starts with eggplant cultivation. Eggplants thrive in warm climates with plenty of sunlight and fertile, well-drained soil. Farmers begin by preparing the land through plowing and leveling to create an optimal growing environment. Organic matter and nutrients are added to enrich the soil and support healthy plant development. High-quality eggplant seeds or seedlings are then selected based on desired variety, yield potential, and resistance to pests and diseases. Once planted, eggplant seedlings require careful maintenance throughout their growing cycle. Irrigation systems provide consistent moisture, ensuring the plants receive enough water without becoming waterlogged. Farmers monitor temperature, soil conditions, and plant growth regularly. Fertilizers are applied at different stages to support root development, flowering, and fruit formation. Pest and disease control is managed using integrated farming methods, combining biological control, safe pesticides, and crop rotation to protect both the plants and the environment. As the eggplant plants mature, they begin to flower and produce fruit. The eggplants grow gradually, developing their characteristic deep purple color and glassy skin. Timing is critical at this stage, as eggplants must be harvested at the right level of maturity. Harvesting too early results in underdeveloped flavor, while harvesting too late can cause bitterness and tough texture. Harvesting is typically done by hand to prevent damage to the fruit. Workers carefully cut the eggplants from the plant using sharp tools, leaving a short stem attached. Harvesting often takes place early in the morning when temperatures are cooler, helping preserve freshness. The harvested eggplants are placed into ventilated containers to avoid bruising and overheating during transportation. After harvesting, the eggplants are quickly transported to processing facilities. Upon arrival, they undergo an initial inspection to remove damaged, overripe, or misshapen fruits. Only high-quality eggplants proceed to the canning process. The selected eggplants are thoroughly washed using clean, pressurized water to remove dirt, pesticide residues, and surface microorganisms. Following washing, the eggplants are prepared for canning. This preparation stage may include trimming the stems, peeling the skin if required, and cutting the eggplants into slices, cubes, or other uniform shapes depending on the final product. Uniform cutting ensures even cooking and consistent texture in the canned product. The prepared eggplants then undergo blanching, a crucial step in the canning process. Blanching involves briefly immersing the eggplants in hot water or steam. This process helps deactivate enzymes that could cause spoilage, preserves color and texture, and reduces microbial load. After blanching, the eggplants are rapidly cooled to stop the cooking process. Once blanched and cooled, The eggplants are transferred to the filling stage. They are carefully placed into clean, sterilized pans or containers. A liquid medium, such as water, brine, or a light sauce, is added to cover the eggplants. This liquid helps preserve the product and enhances flavor. The cans are then sealed tightly to prevent contamination. The sealed cans move to the sterilization stage, where they are heated under controlled temperature and pressure conditions. This heat treatment destroys harmful bacteria and ensures the eggplants are safe for long-term storage. The sterilization process is carefully monitored to maintain food safety while preserving taste and nutritional value. After sterilization, the cans are cooled gradually to prevent damage to the containers and maintain product quality. Each batch undergoes quality control checks, including inspections for seal integrity, appearance, and labeling accuracy. Samples may also be tested to ensure compliance with food safety standards. The final step is packaging and storage. The canned eggplants are labeled with product information, production dates, and expiration dates. They are then packed into cartons and stored in clean, dry warehouses. Proper storage conditions help maintain product quality until distribution. In conclusion, the production of canned eggplant is a comprehensive process that begins with careful cultivation and ends with secure, shelf-stable packaging. Processing and canning is designed to preserve freshness, ensure safety, and deliver a convenient, nutritious product to consumers. This process reflects the successful integration of agriculture and modern food processing technology. Bringing farm-grown eggplants to tables around the world in a safe and reliable form.